Thanks for joining. Today we're going to install and configure the Amcrest ProHD Wi-Fi camera. The first step, connect it to the wall outlet. Second step, let's connect the Ethernet cable from the router to your camera. Now after you have that completed, go to your web browser. Let's navigate to amcrest.com/support. Click on Wi-Fi cameras. Click on desktop access. On step number 3, there's a hyperlink. Click here. Once you have that downloaded, you can exit your web browser. We can extract the files. Let's open the folder. Go to Software, IP Configuration Tool. Select Mac if you're on Mac, Windows if you're on Windows, and run the executable. Let's run the software and allow access. It has detected my camera right here. Let's click on Login. Username and password by default are admin. Click OK. And now you are logged into your camera. Next, we're going to upgrade the firmware for the Amcrest ProHD Wi-Fi camera. Open up your web browser. Let's navigate to amcrest.com/firmware. Click on your model here. Under Downloads, download is complete. Let's go back to your IP config software here. Log into your model. Once that's logged in, click on Upgrade. Open File. And let's select the file that we just downloaded. Click on Upgrade. And we're all set. Now, we're going to change the default password and connect to Wi-Fi. From the IP config software, click on E next to your camera. Let's log in with the default password, admin. New password has to be a combination of uppercase, lowercase, and numbers, minimum 8 characters long. For the purpose of demonstration, I'm choosing password capital P 123.